I showed you a couple videos ago about making a epdm rubber gasket for this. So now I'm going to put it on with glue. And of course I didn't bring the glue with me, so I'll have to go get it. Well, I had to make some popsicle sticks so I can put the glue down. Where do you get popsicle sticks anymore? You used to be able to get them by the box, but I don't know where you get them now. Anyway, I'm going to be using 3M black super weather strip and gasket adhesive. I'll put it on put a layer on there and then put a layer on the gasket. See if I can see what kind of mess I can make. Guess I better wear some gloves. I don't think I have much time to get it all down before it starts drying. I know I've used this on door gaskets before, and it doesn't take very long to set up. Alright, let's get into it. Maybe. There we go. Do it this way. It doesn't look like it's adhering very well. I don't know if we got some dried out stuff. Where do I want to put this? Oh, that's not sticking at all. How come? Huh. What the heck? I wonder if this stuff is bad. We can try something here. Maybe it's the paint that's on the heater. Let's try using some acetone. We'll see if we can. I don't have a small rag. We'll have to use a large rag. Whoa, takes the paint right off. Yeah, I knew acetone can do that. Well, let's try that. See if it sticks now. It's not sticking. Huh. Look at that. Look at that. Wonder if it'll stick on the gasket material. I don't know how much this will stick. Stick to the metal. Just one. It just doesn't want to stick. Wow. I have had it for quite a few years, so maybe it's just not good anymore. Come on, get off there. I'll have to edit that out. It's just not cooperating at all. Well, let's try that. Ah, shit. What do I do? Get it upside down. Well, it's on there. Okay. What it's going to do, though. I've got some clamps.